Hi students, moving on again to what we have stopped off. Yesterday, the day before, we had our lesson on grid reference. So remember, we always have to read off our grid on the x-axis first, then the y-axis, isn't it? Okay, so that's just a reminder. Okay, we're going to move on to for our lesson now. So given a map like this, in fact, if you have gone to theme parks, you will be given maps and to locate an attraction within the theme park. You usually have to look at the map to find out where is the location. So it's a good thing now that we are learning this topic so that you are able to, look for, the interesting places to go to when we are at a tourist destination. Okay, so again, you have to read from the x-axis, which is along here. This is considered the x-axis, and this is the y-axis, right? Okay, just bear that in mind. Okay, so with this map, I'm sure you will be able to read the points. Like for example, where is Kelly? Kelly is actually located here, so it's actually C18. That's how you locate Kelly, isn't it? So for the rest, Sam, Mihi, Jim, so on and so forth, you have to locate them on the map and then write down the points, okay, that represent where they are located. Easy. I'll leave it to you to complete the task. Okay, then the next thing is you need to put a cross on this grid that's representing on the map. So they say where is A3? So you can put a point on A3. So A3 is here, A3 is here, you put a cross there, mark it, A3, okay? And then you move on to the next part. Next, you got to use the scale. This part is important now. The scale states that is every 10 mm is 100 meters. So we realize that every 2 sides, okay, every 2 sides, whenever you move 2 steps, it is actually 10 mm. So every step is 5 mm, isn't it? So 2 sides is 10 mm, and Kelly is supposed to move from her house to Kim's house. So Kelly is over here, Kim is over here. So they say you got to go by the shortest distance. So, and I managed to find the shortest distance to be like this. Okay, and that's how Kelly should move to Kim's place to get the shortest distance. So you need to count the number of sites it has moved. If you count it properly, there are actually 29 sites. So 29 sites is actually 145 mm. And 145 mm is actually 1,400 meters. So the distance from Kelly's house to Kim's house is 1,400 meters. Okay, so I'll leave it to you to find out the rest. Okay, do it carefully. Like I say, you may just want to copy down this table or to let you analyze 2 sites. Every 2 sites is 10 mm. So let's go and count how many sites there are, and then you can convert it to mm first, then into meters. Okay, so the last part is a treasure hunt type of question. So you got to go according to the rule. They say you start from J4. Where is J4? J4 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you start from here. This is the starting point. So based on the instruction, head east. Okay, where's east? North is here. So if north is here, south is here, east is here, and west is here, isn't it? So bear that in mind. So from here, you got to go east 100 meters. 100 meters is 10 mm. So it's 2 steps. And from there, you continue to find out where is the final destination. Okay, I've already found out where's the destination. But anyway, solve this puzzle on your own. Okay, it's quite interesting. Okay, moving on to Cartesian plane, which involves negative numbers today. So again, I want to emphasize, read x number first, x-axis are numbers first, then the y-axis number. Okay, so you see this is the proper Cartesian plane. 2 lessons ago, we only focused on the positive side, which is here. Okay, that's not good enough because we got to know the positive and negatives. So in Cartesian plane, let's say I'm supposed to look for the ordered pairs. Okay, it's always graphed with the x-axis first. So let's look at example E. Okay, I'm going to find where is E, point E, which is minus 4, 2. So I look at the x-axis, which is minus 4 here, and minus 2 is over here. So the point should be located here. You put a mark on it and label the point E. That's how you should be labeling the point. Okay, then from there, let's say H. Okay, where is 7 minus 4? Let's look at 7 on the x-axis, which is here. Minus 4 is here. Okay, so the point is over here, and I call it point H. Okay, remember to complete the rest. And then they say list all the other points that are in a straight line. So after you plot all these 8 points, you will be able to find out some of the points that will lead you on a straight line. So you just need to write down these points. Okay, write down the ordered pairs. Okay, the ordered pairs means x and y value for each of the point, and then name them in a manner whereby you can get a straight line. Okay, the last part here is to basically write down the coordinates of the various points given. So for example, A is actually minus 2, 6 easily, isn't it? Minus 2 and 6. And after that, E is actually 5, 3. See, 5, 3. And then I is actually minus 3, minus 3. Okay, that's how you should present your working. And do remember to complete the rest of them. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. So complete these 2 exercises. If there's any issue, drop me a note on direct message or Teams. Bye.